What does your heart say about them? Okay. Okay. What's in your feelings about your person? Whosoever that you're dealing with, it could be a no contact, it could be a breakup situation, it could be a ghosted situation, it could be that you're in a marriage and maybe you're not very well, uh, you know, in your feelings, in your heart. What it says about them. So you have, all your personal feelings reading today. Okay, we're gonna read tarot for your personal readings for your person. Okay, whosoever you are in partnership, in love with. Okay, let's see. So, guys, today we are gonna do your reading with this. This is going to be timeless. Whenever you reach to this reading is gonna be for you. Okay, irrespective that you are a male or a female watching, this is for you. There is no gender specific reading. Okay, like today, what we're doing, most of my readings are not gender specific. Okay, but plus this is a general reading, guys, so take only what resonates with you and leave what does not. Okay, so yeah, so let's see what you are feeling about your person. Okay, what you are feeling about your person. Oh yeah, guys, and like this video if you like it. Okay, comment down below. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and uh, press the notification bell icon so that you receive all my videos. Okay, plus this is a general reading. In case you have a strong feeling to book a reading with me, book it on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. What is my collective's feeling towards their person? What do you feel about your person? Okay, guys, focus. What do you feel about your person? There is Six of Wands. Okay. You feel like you've hit the jackpot with this person. There is some kind of victory situation that you feel like maybe you could have all your life you would have felt that I'm gonna be in love, I'm gonna be in love, I'm gonna be in love, I'm waiting for the right person. That, yeah, so you feel with this person that this is your right person. Something tells me that you feel victorious, that life has given you all your happiness in your one person. Let's see, with this person you feel you've got all your love, all your success with this person. Maybe this could be your soulmate, I'm not sure, but this is coming as it is. Yeah, okay, there's a death card in reverse. Okay, you don't want to let this person go. Whosoever you're dealing with, you don't want them to go at all. I mean, I'm not saying that you're control freak and all of those negative things. No, I'm not saying that. I am trying to do a reading here for you, that what do you feel about them, right? So you don't want this person to go. This is like death and rebirth card, where where there's a transformation going on, where where you're letting go of the person and you're making room for new things to happen. No, but you don't want this person to go at all. Like, this is what you're feeling. So I have the Temperance card for you. Yeah, this is more like a wish come true. This is more like this could be your soulmate, this could be your angels um, trying the best that they can. Like, this could be your angels who made you meet with this person. This is what's coming up. This is the Chariot card for you. Okay, oh my god, this person has, like, yeah, this is why I see there's a death card in reverse. Neither you're letting this person go, neither you are letting all those feelings, even if there is some kind of stuck feeling maybe in your situation, not for everyone, but Somebody could feel like, why can't this relationship move forward, and you are not even letting that go, letting that feeling go, that why can't it move forward, something like that. Okay. And there is Three of Cups. We have the High Priestess in here. Right. Okay. So I just feel that you have a particular spirit guide. That could be a horse, that could be a fairy. Maybe you could be like a Cinderella, or maybe there is a particular situation, to an extent to your situation, where you always wanted to have children. Okay. And not if you're married, not if you already have children. I am talking in general, that some people wanted to be mothers or fathers. Okay. You wanted to give that kind of love, and maybe because there could be a situation where you did not receive enough love as a child from your parents. I don't know what the situation is. There could be a step father or a step mother to your situation, not for everyone again. But when I see Cinderella, there is a star card. Okay. I don't know why I'm talking about Cinderella. You could be someone like, you have met your Prince Charming, right? Something like that. So this is who your person is. This is how your person is. Okay. Let's see more. Let's see more. What do you feel about this person? Oh my god, it came like in reverse. 10 of Swords in reverse, or maybe there's a 10 of Swords. Yeah, with this person, you feel very comforted. You feel very, it's more like, whatever situation that you are in, you're ready to let go, just because when you're with this person. And this is also Radhe Krishna. 7 7 I just saw, and I see the Chariot card as soon as possible, as it came in the reading. um this is Sri Krishna's message. Radhe Krishna is for you. This could be a twin flame for you. And you know why? Because there is this Victory card. Whenever I do this, situation where you are victorious with your person, it is like that you are one soul in different bodies. Simple like that. You are with your twin flame. Some of you are, because the first card, it could be a twin flame reading completely. It could be a twin flame reading. Some of you are soulmates, some of you are twin flames, because I see these two cards, and it's a confirmation coming from Radhe Krishna. I am not making these. This is 8 8 also. So I am not making these. Okay. There is some kind of this situation. I want to see why you have this 3 of Cups card for you. Okay, let's see. 3 of Cups. Why is this 3 of Cups card here? Jai Shri Krishna ji. Why is this 3 of Cups here? 2 of Wands. Why is this 3 of Cups here? The Empress. Okay, there are so many cards. There is the Empress, and there is the High Priestess. I think your Venus is strong. I think you, whosoever you are, you could be a male. You could. Oh my God, this is a divine feminine, divine masculine reading. I'm just feeling like that. See, your person, you are confused with this person. You met for a reason and you're confused about it. Let me just check why you're confused. But before we actually move forward in this reading, I really want to tell you that you have always waited for this person. You've always wanted to be a part of this person's life. What they do with their friends, how they, I mean, there is this backlog in your mind that if you're not married to this person, you will get married to this person. But then I think this is what is giving them this kind of, urge to fight with you. Like, how can this happen? And you both could be fighting right now. I just feel like you both could be fighting right now. But I see your man is man or woman, okay, whosoever you're dealing with, they are dependable. They are somewhere dependable. They have this. I just feel that they have. See, one day I just feel one day you're gonna be together. And see, this is where I'm coming from. Why I say this, one day you again, there's a star card. The stars are aligning for you. The stars are aligning for you. This is why you can't let go of this situation. Maybe what you feel, and that, whenever you were in separation, you knew that there's gonna be a long time to your separation. If there is a separation, this is a general reading, guys. Take what resonates only, okay? So, I one day I think they have still to let go of a lot of things, and so do you with this particular relationship. What you feel, right? Because I see you are all comforted with this situation, with this person. I see you're letting go of a lot of relationships with this person. You don't need to let go of them. All you're like, you can leave. You can leave. It doesn't suffocate you anymore that life is that stressful. Life is these around people with you. So it's more like you feel comforted. You are like, it is what it is, but I found my love mate, something like that, right? So this is I see that one day they're gonna come towards you, and you guys are gonna talk to each other, call each other. So one day it's like what's gonna happen, different cases, different scenarios, but I here am talking about your situation, right? I had this feeling that if you have a feeling that your person is gonna call you, your person is gonna make this attempt to text you, call you, visit you, something like that. So, what's gonna happen, my dear friend, my collective, my family, YouTube family? I'm gonna tell you this. What I see with this card, Two of Cups, I see that one day everyone, God is good, because this is your stars aligning, okay? This is an Aquarius energy. This is your stars aligning, okay? One day, Shreya, move forward. You're talking about one day again and again, right? Yeah. So everyone is gonna be busy. Okay, somebody is gonna be attending their functions, their family functions. There is gonna be a celebration time. I see that. It could be a New Year, it could be Diwali, it could be Christmas, it could be a Valentine's Day, something like that. Okay, everyone around you is going to be busy. People are visiting their friends, people are doing the parties and everything, and you both in your different lives, you're sitting alone somewhere in your own personal space, and you're gonna call them, or they are gonna call you. This is what's gonna happen. That day it won't matter. That day it won't matter. Something is telling me that one day, because I have this feeling with this card, someone's gonna you know be grounded in their heart, and they are gonna say, yeah, let me talk to them. Let me talk to them. Enough with the fighting, enough with saying sorries or not saying sorries, enough with apologizing. I can't let this person go. So either you are gonna do that, or they are gonna do that. So they are gonna think in their mind, I am done with my ego, and I just have to call this person. So this is what's gonna happen, where you feel like, there's family. You come from different worlds, you come from different families. Maybe you two are married, and this is gonna happen. But this is happening right now, right? So at one time, this all will not matter, because your feelings matter at that particular time. Your feelings will tell you that, what, you're missing a lot, you and them. So this is what's gonna happen. And one of you, I see 144, one of you who's waiting for another person's call, the other is gonna make the attempt. So both of you are waiting to talk to each other. This is what I see. I mean, this is what I see. Let's just see So stars are aligning for you both. Okay, there's gonna be this, yeah, this disappointment in this relationship. There's some kind of disappointment. I just see that. I am gonna check why is this two of swords with the temperance card here. Okay, maybe your angels fooled you once, and see, there is the queen of cups card. Maybe your angels tried to show you that this is your person and you couldn't be with them, right? So your angels have made all their attempts to protect you in this situation also. Okay, I see queen of cups. Why is this two of swords here? Guys, whatever resonates, only take that, because it's different people. Yeah, there's the emperor. Oh my god, there's the emperor card. There is the empress card. Okay, there is two of cups card. There is a victorious card. Okay, six of wands card. Okay, now I see that they treated you bad. I see that. Okay, you have that in your heart. You have that in your heart for the longest time possible. They, why they treat, so this is coming up as, first they treated you bad, you have that in your heart, and then the second thing is why, right? You have this question why they treated the way they did. There is the king of swords here, and we have the queen of cups. You were all warm, you were giving them care, you were giving them, you were taking their, I just have this feeling you met them in a winter time. You maybe met them in a winter time, because I see queen of cups and king of swords. This person became all fiery to you at the time of when you were soft for them. This is why I couldn't take it. Maybe, yeah, you have all your boundaries with this person. Let's see. Um, what are the angels trying to communicate with this situation? Ace of Wands. What are the angels trying to communicate with this situation? Oh my god. There is, oh my god. No. Angels are trying to communicate. Yes, first of all, there is a strong yes. Angels are trying to communicate with both of you. Right? This is Four of Cups. Okay. There is Ten of Pentacles. There is Queen of Swords. There is Nine of Cups. And we have Ace of Wands. What angels are trying to communicate here. So, when you were all warm, when you were all great, by the way, I saw 18. I don't know if there is, something to that for you. 18 is a moon card. I have not seen moon card here, but I see the high priestess, which has a specific moon card. Plus, I see two of swords, which has a specific moon thing to it. Okay. When you were all warm and caregiving to this person, Queen of Cups, you could be an high empath person. Um, there is this, they maybe they shouted at you, maybe they tried to tell you something in a bad way. Okay, maybe they ghosted you, something like that is coming. They did so wrong, by the way, they blocked you from their path, something like that. Okay, so that has changed you, and you have also become the queen of swords, right? Because that person has affected you deeply. That, so for some time I see that there was this situation in your life where you were all cold. Maybe you are still cold to this person, that why they treated you the way they did, right? Anyway, so there is king of swords, queen of swords, emperor and empress, and there is two of cups. I see that, when I told you that this is your person, you feel like a soulmate, a twin flame. This is your reading. This is your every, like your feelings that I'm reading today, right? So, first, angels are trying to say that there is an Ace of Wands. Okay, there could be an initiation of talking. So you haven't been able to move on from this person at all. You couldn't go to any other relationship because I see you wanted to heal yourself. Okay, and I see you have done a great part in healing also. Angels are also saying that while you got separated, that was a wheel of fortune, that was the destiny, that you have to be separated from a particular person. I see some kind of, your person is very cold hearted. Okay, they might be skipping emotions altogether. I don't know why this happens, but we shall do this in another reading, or maybe today. Let's see if I have the time. Okay, um there is some kind of initiation that is going to happen with this person. As I told you that one of you is going to call, yes, and I feel that they are going to call. I feel that this person will call you. Okay, um see, they were not mature back then. When you met them, they were not enough mature to handle commitment, to handle what you wanted, everything. They were not mature enough. I see that, okay? You gave them more and they couldn't handle it. You gave them a lot and they couldn't handle. Where you saw them as mature person, but inside of them they were not that kind of mature. Okay, I see 1818, I see 2121, and I just have this feeling for you that why I said the stars are aligning, and I'm getting to know the synchronicity now, that the most important thing is that now you guys are not mirroring each other, where you are minding your own business. You're not looking forward to them, that what they are doing. Maybe you are not even stalking each other anymore. There is something that clearing up in your own, like, life. Okay, angels are trying to say that you're gonna get married to this person. You will meet them at a celebration or something, at somebody's house again. Okay, again, if you guys are in separation. Okay, they are your wish come true, they are your wish fulfillment. This is what your heart's feeling. Your heart is also telling you, basically. I asked the angels, but when you connect with the angels, it's, you get your intuition somewhere strong, right? With the synchronicities, I see this oneness happening with both of you, unity happening with both of you. Okay, you're moving to 10 of pentacles, you're moving to 9 of cups, which is your heart feeling, which is you want them to be with you. But yes, stars are also aligning. Okay, let's just see why is king of swords here. Okay, your person also feels that you know something. Your person, see, again we have the wheel of fortune card. Your person knows something and they can't digest, they couldn't digest it back then. Oh my god, they just, they know that this is for them, this relationship is for them, and they are very thick-skinned person. I would just say that this, the way they are, life has made them this way, and they have always lived this way. How can you expect some person to change in one single day when you meet them, something like that? So they have always been some kind of way, right? Yeah. Okay, there is ace of swords and we have 5 of pentacles for your person. Something is telling me your person also took something on them, on their heart, when this, when this caregiving thing happened. You were not only the one, they also were the silent one to take something on their heart. I don't know what happened, but this is what's coming. They want to communicate afresh. They couldn't back then because of their family. This is what's coming. They couldn't talk to you because of their family. This is what is coming as the king of swords. I see they could see the Hierophant. You guys are divine masculine, divine feminine. You guys have potential, and because you were giving them a lot, they felt like they could reach a lot, and they started giving more to their family also, like how they thought about this relationship, that um, you are never gonna go there. And it's not because you were giving them so much, it's not because of that, it's because they felt loved with you. And how do I communicate this? They felt like life is awesome, right? With you, they felt like life is awesome. And um, and then this person thought, why, how can I let go of my responsibilities towards my family? So they kind of got stuck there. So you could have felt betrayed a lot. And back then you could have felt betrayed a lot. That what? What was all of that, right? So I see there was this um, strong urge to get married, and then you got all fighting, and then this lovers card is here. I see you guys are so much in love. You feel them nostalgic whenever they talk about you. Yeah, they talk about you, and they think about you, and they, even when they were with you, you feel them, not, you make them feel nostalgic, right? So I just want to add something to the situation here. You know, you guys are divine lovers. I told you this could be a soulmate connection, this could be a twin flame connection, this could be out of the blues connection also, that they are your right person. And I have so many cards where I can tell you that you guys are very, very in love, and you guys have this this marriage coming up. So many cards, right? Stars are aligning for you, and stars are aligning for your marriage. But then I want to add up to you, what kind of love do you expect when you don't fight? So there is fighting, there is love, there is marriage, there is wise, there is getting wiser. So I just can say that you fight with the only people that you love, okay? And maybe you are divine and you feel like there are a lot of people that pick a fight with me, but think about it, you love them, right? You are a divine soul, you love them, right? So um okay, something is coming for you, okay? There are some out of the blues, somebody, one of you is gonna contact each other, but I feel that your person will do that, okay? um yeah, in case you feel like booking a private reading, book with me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. And like this video, comment down below, uh, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon. I am completely like, have nothing to say in this situation anymore, right? So I'll leave you to it. God bless you, and you have your amazing, amazing life. Um, all my blessings to all of my collective. Lots of love. Bye bye. Radhe Radhe.